What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are here at the Rialto Tire Center. We've done a video here before with the Model Y Performance where we swapped out the wheels and tires. We're back here again with the Cybertruck studios because, oops, forgot to rotate the tires, and now we are left with 230 seconds in the rear and 630 seconds in the front. The rear, folks, is too low to be rotated. 14,000 plus miles. And yeah, I don't know. I lost track of time or whatever, but no excuse, but very expensive lesson. But yeah, you can see right there, it's 230 seconds. And I've tried different tire shops and they're like, no, you got to replace that bad boy. But the front is still 630 second, but because it's all-wheel drive, you have to replace the set. That's, I guess, what they told me, and I looked it up, and yeah, you're supposed to replace the entire set. So we done a little bit of research. We're gonna go with the Falken Wildpeak AT4s. These are the Goodyear Territory RTs. Pretty pricey, and from what people told me, they're not really all that great. So we're gonna swap them out for some Falcons. All right, these are the set right here, 285 65 20s. And we're gonna get them on today. All right, I got Javier here. He is the shop owner here at Rialto Tire Center. I keep coming back here because he always takes care of me, and this time he took care of the Cybertruck. So you have an Instagram account. What is it?
Trail 66 Off-Road. That's our off-road division of the company.
So you guys also specialize in off-road
as
well?
Yeah, so we specialize in that, but we also take care of regular vehicles, daily drivers, because most people, if they have an off-road rig that they weekend, they usually have a daily driver during the week that they also need service. So we like to help them out with that vehicle as well.
Cool.
So we try to do both.
Yeah, make sure you follow them on Instagram. They usually have some really nice specials and stuff, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you, Javier.
No problem. Thank you, Sherwin. I appreciate it.
So what I've noticed is the rear tires have a lot of brake dust accumulation. I didn't realize they use brakes. I mean, we do one pedal driving, so I'm a little curious about that. Let me know if you know why there's brake dust accumulation in the rear tires. None of my other Teslas, or actually EVs, my R1T doesn't have that much brake accumulation. But the Cybertruck does. It's really like in there. Yeah, check out Javier's rig right here. GMC Sierra AT4. I like this color. It's red. Got the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires on here. Man. Got the King shocks right there. Ooh-wee. Yeah, he does a bit of off-roading as well. His wife was going to get a Rivian R1T, and we started talking a few months ago. But she ended up getting a Bronco Raptor. Very nice, very nice. I'll try to find a B-roll on it. They had a little gathering here, a little meetup, and I saw it in person, and it's nice. But this is a nice truck as well. Check out this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Got the front winch too. Oh my goodness, look at that, man. Ooh, look at that ground clearance. My goodness. Man. Baja Boss, I guess that's a pretty popular tire. Okay. Beadlock wheels. Oh, you know he does a lot of sand. This is nice. Man, okay. I love coming here because they always have some really interesting trucks and off-road vehicles, because they do a lot over here. They have a lot of accessories and parts for off-roading. Okay, so one thing you want to do after getting your set replaced is you go under service, under wheel and tire, and you want to hit that reset. Make sure the service type is replacement full set, but there are different ones there. Tire rotation, replacement 1 to 3, but replacement full set. So that's what we're going to do. I have noted that it's 406 watt-hour per mile before swapping out the tires. That's my lifetime efficiency with the previous tires. So we're gonna take note of that and then go on some road trips. There is a little bit more of a road noise with these set, and I don't know if it's just because it's brand spanking new and we just have to wait, you know, maybe a few hundred miles, maybe a couple of thousand miles before it wears out, or, you know, goes away or improves on the road noise. But I have heard these are a little bit noisier with the road noise, but that's quite all right. Nothing but listening to music louder like I normally do. But the cost, a little over 1,700 bucks, 1,760-ish, something like that. I found some other deals towards the LA area, but the price difference wasn't really that much for me to drive over there. And plus, you know, Javier is a friend, so this is not a sponsored video. I'm just supporting a local business, and I have great experience with them, and so I continue to support his business. I'll have all his information in the video description below, so go check it out if you wanna see what he has to offer. But he does also do off-road stuff and just tires also. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll also put up pricing that I found. If you go to Tesla, you're paying over 2,000 bucks. America's Tires is also $2,000, more than 2,000 bucks. So I'll put a little spreadsheet thing in there just to give you an idea of what other tires that I've checked out. But thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.